Hi everyone, a really quick video as to answer all the questions and queries I've been having. And instead of repeating the same thing to so many people, I just want to tell you speech therapy is a very important part of child's early years and it should not be missed at any cost. As a parent, you have to be providing speech therapy because it will help you in other areas as well. Trust me, it really makes a lot of difference if you have a good speech therapy session going on, which have to be continued at home as well. As far as speech therapist is concerned, you need to have somebody who has some validation. You look for people who have gone and with those speech therapists and who have been able to give you those results. I firmly believe a good speech therapist can change your entire story. So if your child is not interacting and reacting and you are not being involved with the speech therapist in the sense that you should be in the room with the speech therapist, if that is not happening, then you must change your speech therapist, because it's important that you as a mother who's there all the time with your child, if you are not engaged with the child, you don't know how to carry that lesson from what the child is learning with the speech therapist back home. Chances are the child is going to forget it, and it's not easy for the child to remember everything that he or she has learned in that 1 hour. So please be engaged with your child, and also look for parents who have already been engaged with that speech therapist, and make sure that you're working with your child very closely, because all that result will one day show up. Change your speech therapist, look for people, ask questions, because that's very important. Otherwise it's not going to work. First 5 years run very fast, and first 1 year just goes in diagnosing and looking for solution, getting over your own trauma. So a speech therapist is very important, that will give you the answers. And if it is not working out, you will find out within a couple of months that it's not working. He or she should be empathetic with you and should understand very deeply how the instruction that you are learning are also showing results at home. A good speech therapist will give you tools, and when you listen to these lessons and you take them home, your child will start carrying out instructions, that whatever you are saying, the child is doing it. Whatever you are asking, the child will understand, look at you, give you eye contact, and you are able to engage with your child. So there are a lot of tools that are used. It's just not making those sounds. It's very important that you find the right therapist, because that will change your entire story. I hope that helps you.